Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn pink color, red color, dark blue color, orange color, black color, neon color, light blue color, brown color. Let's start. Dark green color. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for boy. B for boy. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for girl. G for girl. H. H for house. H for house. I. I. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. J. J for joker. Joker. J for joker. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. R for ring. S for sister. S for sister. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for village. V for village. W for water. W for water. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.